And today we have Blaze. He is very excited to be up here on the moors today. I don't know what he's trying to find there, but he absolutely loves it up here on the moors. So you might see a bit more of him in the future. I wonder how many of you have wondered what these four quite large mounds of concrete are. They used to hold a big mast for the ROC, Hawks Tor bunker. I should come up here one day and do a complete video on the bunker explaining what was here and what is left now. Now we're about to walk up to Hawks Tor. Doesn't look very nice off over there, does it? It looks like I might get wet shortly. I'm now overlooking Meavy. Hopefully you can see Meavy Church in the video. Yeah, slightly out of breath. I think I walked up over the hill a bit too fast. But on to Hawks Tor. There you go, horse rider enjoying the moors as well. As they come off down to Battler car park or wherever they're going. Never known the two ladies making so much noise. But they're having fun. Right, this is Hawks Tor. Actually, Hawks Tor is actually in behind. The rocks in front, I'm not sure what they're called. But Hawks Tor is the one with the big granite over the top. I'll take a closer look shortly. Give Blaze a very short run off the lead. There's no sheep around. Misty I can go anywhere with, and there's never any problems. But Blaze, I don't quite trust. I've always got to be very close to him. He's having a good sniff. This is Hawks Tor. I'm so pleased the mining didn't come this far. It's quite a nice little part of the moor. I don't think many people actually come up here. Got some lovely views. I'll show you shortly. But the weather's not the best. I think it might rain shortly. I actually think the rain has just missed us. So we're very, very lucky. The views are normally a lot better than what they are today. But you've got an idea on what you can see here. Looking over towards Bodmin Moor there now. And if I turn myself around a little bit, you can see Kit Hill from here. And over a distance you can see Brentor Church. I've walked this area many times. One of our favourite little walks with the dogs. I'll send the drone up, if it's dry, shortly from the main road. If you can't take off on Dartmoor's land, but you can from any public road. There's Blaze and Misty on top of the Tor. As you can see, Blaze is back on the lead, just in case we come across any sheep. Misty's a right poser for the camera, as you can see. What Blaze is interested in is to see what's been up there before him. I'm going to go sniff at something. Right, this is going to be a very short walk, as we're going to walk back down to the car now. The dogs needed to get out for a bit of exercise. Blaze is looking very happy there. And in behind you can see the China clay workings. All the spoil heaps. It's good we've got plenty of China clay in the area, but it certainly leaves plenty of scars up here on Dartmoor. There you go in the view there, Dartmoor Church. One day I'll bring my zoom lens up and we can have a good look. The clouds are looking nice up there. A few bits of blue sky. It's a little bit windy, so it might be too windy for the drone, but I'll decide that when I get back down to the car. The sun is shining over there. You can see Princetown Mast there. Well, you might be able to see Princetown Mast. It might be my imagination, but it certainly is there. The sun's not quite on me there yet. That's a shame. It makes a lovely picture when the sun's shining down there. But I haven't got wet yet. The shower certainly missed me. And the dogs are having fun. As you can see, Blaze having a little rest. Hey Blaze. Blaze. Up here, that you good boy. And Misty is to the left of us. Misty's always having a little, oh dear, she's having a little pee. Misty? Misty? Good girl. She's a very well behaved dog, is our Misty. We can take her anywhere. Very rarely misbehaves. Always wanting to please us. Anyway, let's get back down to the car and hopefully get the drone up in the air. There we go. We have Meavy in the sunshine. I'm not sure if you can hear the birds or just the wind. We need to get a bit of foam on the microphone on the camera. The camera. Southwesterly. It's always nice to see the gorse out in flower. It's one of the few flowers that actually flowers all year round. Hopefully you can hear the birds. I should do a few videos really on birds of the moor. I might even learn a bit or two more about the birds. But it certainly is nice up here. Oh dear, it's pouring down with rain. I did have the drone up in the air, but I had to bring it back quite quickly. Don't want to get the drone wet, so I'm going to sit here and wait for it to stop and send the drone back up again, and hopefully I get some footage of Hawkestor.